I'm gonna show you guys the garage doors at my dad's house, the apartment complex he lives in, and my mom's house. We live in a house with a 2-car garage. I might try to get into them. I could pick that lock, or I could take this off and open it. Okay, this is a 4-car garage. This one, earlier I was trying to figure out this. This is the keypad. That's broke. I don't know. I was trying to see the code. This one is already disconnected from the motor, so I'll open that. And this one, that was locked. Oh, I'm gonna try that one, this one last. I mean, I can get it a little bit. Actually, no, not really. Okay, wait. Maybe I could fix some of these doors for them, because like this one here, the weather sealing is like broken. The handle ripped off here. And on this door is like caved in right here. And the weather sealing is cut off right here and here. And then this one, this part fell off. This is what's supposed to be right there. You can stick a key through that and it unlocks the door, and there's no handle right there. And also the weather sealing down here is horrible. This door I don't think needs any work. I could ask them. Okay, hopefully they don't have cameras around here, because I'm gonna open it a little bit. Ay, that's heavy. Is there a motor connection? No. There's the cables up there. Let's see the inside. What? The lights are on. Okay. Now this is gonna be hard to close it. I'll take that back. I'm gonna try to find something that I can use to break into one of those garages. Don't tell. Okay, what over here could I use? I need something to stand on and something to put through the ceiling. I need something that can fit through the ceiling. Wait, I think I could stick my hand through. One more view on this, on this door. One more. This is scary. This is really hard to lift. There is a springs inside view. Oh wait, you can see the motor. That's cool. Okay. Back down. Okay, go. I'm alone. I see somebody.